Is toner an essential step in your skincare routine, or just another product taking up space on your shelf? Let's find out if you really need a toner, and why it might, or might not, be worth the hype. First, let's break it down. What is a toner? Toner is a liquid skincare product designed to remove impurities left behind after cleansing, balance your skin's pH, and prep your skin for better absorption of other products like serums and moisturizers. So what are the benefits? Balances your skin's pH, especially after using a cleanser. Hydrates the skin with modern formulations containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Minimizes the appearance of pores for a smoother complexion. Removes residual dirt and makeup that your cleanser might have missed. Sounds amazing, right? But does everyone need a toner? It depends on your skin type and routine. Let's break it down. Dry skin. A hydrating toner with ingredients like rose water or aloe vera can be a game changer. Oily or acne-prone skin. Look for toners with salicylic acid or witch hazel to reduce excess oil and fight breakouts. Normal or combination skin. A mild, soothing toner can refresh and prep your skin for the next steps. However, there are situations where you can skip the toner entirely. For example, if your cleanser already balances your skin's pH or your skin feels healthy and your current routine works just fine, you may not need this extra step. Toners aren't one size fits all, and that's okay. Now, if you decide to use a toner, here's the correct way to do it. First, cleanse your face thoroughly. Next, pour a small amount of toner onto a cotton pad or your hands. Then, gently pat or swipe it across your face and neck. Finally, follow up with your favorite serum or moisturizer. Pro tip: use a toner with ingredients tailored to your skin concerns for maximum results. So, do you really need a toner? The answer is, it depends. Toners can be a valuable addition to your routine if you're looking for hydration, pH balance, or extra cleansing. But if your current routine works and your skin is happy, you're good to go without it. Got more skincare questions? Subscribe to Skincare, Health Point for expert advice, tips, and product breakdowns. Let's build the ultimate skincare routine together. Comment below and let us know. Do you use a toner in your routine? If yes, what's your favorite one?